Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to connect AWS servers which are in public subnet. So you just need to create a VPC and you just choose a region, and with the internet gateway attachment you need to connect from your own personal or desktop from internet. So let's try this. Go to VPC, your VPCs, create a VPC, test our own VPC. This is my IPv4 idea. Just create a VPC, and next create a subnets. Choose your own VPC. This is my VPC. I will create public subnet. I will create in 1B. So I require only one subnet, which is requires of public. And check the route table. It is not created, so that you need to create a route table. My public route table. Select your VPC. This is my VPC. Create route table. So you just need to have a internet gateway attachment. So I'm creating an internet gateway attachment here. IGW attachment. Create an internet gateway. So go to the route tables, which is created, the public route table. Go to routes. Before that, you need to create, you need to associate route tables to subnets. Which subnets you need to choose. So in my VPC, I have only public subnet. I have choose. So I save the association. Check the routes. So if it is 10.80.0.0/16, it will be checked local. So you need to add route. So I need through internet. So I am allowing the open to world. Choose internet gateway. Let me check is the internet gateway attachment is up or not. I need to go back. So I need to attach this internet gateway to my VPC. Attach. Go to routes. Click on internet gateway. See, this is my internet gateway attachment. Attach it. Save changes. So we have completed VPC part. So you just need to create a servers. So we have created region. We have created VPC in one region, and after that we have created in public subnet in availability zone B. And we have created internet gateway attachment. So you just need to create a servers. Go to instances, launch instances. So this is the new console of AWS. I'm choosing Linux instance for run test. For my reference, I choose Amazon Linux 2, which is kernel is updated to 5.10. 64-bit architecture, T2 micro. I will go with the free type. I hope I have a key pair. Let me check. Yeah, I'm having a key pair. So edit the network settings. Choose your own VPC. I have only one subnet. Auto assign public IP should be enabled. Create a security group. So it should allow your own computer or laptop need to get access through internet. To get access from outside. So this is my security group. I'm giving SSH access anywhere. The CIDR is 000000. It should allow all, open to all. If you want to create one more, you can create. If you want to attach your own IP at the elastic IP, you can buy the elastic IP and give it here. And I will choose with GP3, which is cost optimized. I can use 8 GB. Go to the advanced details. I choose IAM instance profile as EC2 full access or EC2 SSM role. So need to connect from AWS side. Termination protection enable. And next, that's it. Yes, all things are done. Let's close launch instance. Go to the instance ID. So it is in pending state. Let's check if it is running or not. It is running. The status checks are initializing. Check the instance screenshot. It is loaded. The login shell is came up. Check the instance details. The security, which is open to all. Is it SSM route? The details, the public IP. Let's try to connect. I hope I have the access to the key. Let's try it. Let's try to connect to the server. So it will throw an error. It should be in PPK format. So your private key. Name it as Taron. Copy the public IP. Go to the boutique. SSH. Other authentication key. This is where you can connect to the system. So this is my IP address. If you want to change this host name, this is where you can get the hostname command. So this is where Amazon Linux tool. Let's launch one more in Windows. Run Windows test instance. Let's choose Windows. Go with the 2019 or 2022. Okay, 2022 is free type. It's eligible. Go with the key pair. Edit the network settings. Choose your own VPC. Assign a public IP. Select existing group which you have created in the before video. GPT part size storage. Default it should be 30. Termination protection enabled. So why I have chosen this termination protection? It should be enabled when we are doing in the real time scenarios. So that's it. Verify all the details. Check that. Launch instance. New instance. Now the instance is up and it is running straight. Let me check the instance screenshot whether it is up or not. It's still loading. It is importing. Changes are reflected. Yeah. Now I can able to log in. So this is my public IP. Go to Windows now. Sorry, misspelled. Copy the public IP. Click on connect. Okay. So the thing is, I have enabled only SSH access for my security group. I have chosen the existing one, right? Which is allowed for only SSH access for the previous server. So I need to allow RDP port open to world. This is RDP access for Windows. Save rules. Go to instances. Copy the IP. Windows run. Sorry, I have trying to connect with Linux instance. Oh, where is my instance? This is the Windows instance. So you need the password. Go to the instance, click on connect, go to the RDP client, get password, browse your keypad. This is my keypad, decrypt password, copy the password, paste it in somewhere, close the Windows instance, copy the public IP, go to Windows 1. You need to enter this password. Okay, sorry. Administrator, the spelling name is wrong. This is where you can connect a public subnet EC2 instance from outside the internet. So this is my PC where I have connected to AWS public server. Check the host name, check the IP address. This is the IP address of private IP. So this is the private IP address. So this is the public IP address to connect from public. So this is my host name of the server of Windows instance. So that's it guys. So I have connected from my PC to internet with the AWS Internet Gateway attachment to the public servers which are created in VPC in one region. So this is the scenario. So let's try to terminate these instances one by one. Instance settings. Okay. Instance settings. Termination protection I have enabled, so I should disable this. Instance settings. Termination protection disabled. Terminate instance. So it will delete your volume which is stored in the root volume of 8 GB and 30 GB for Windows. Terminate. That's it guys. Thank you for the video. Thank you.